Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be doing my 60's Psychedelic kit, which this is right here, the Big Happy Planner kit. But instead of using an actual Happy Planner spread or any dot grid or lined paper, I decided to challenge myself and use just a plain piece of paper. You could use just a regular piece of computer paper if you wanted, or construction paper. I am using this Happy Planner blank paper. I just happen to have a whole bunch that I got on clearance. So just go ahead and sit back and relax, listen to the calming music, and you'll see how I fill up these 2 pages with my Big Happy Planner kit. All right, so that looks like we're coming to the end of the spread. It was fun to make. It was very challenging. I don't typically do spreads like this, but it did turn out to be more of a dashboard layout, which I'm more used to a vertical layout. So although it was a challenge, I love using these stickers. They were so much fun to create. I actually have a video that goes through the whole collection, so I'll put that link in the description. However, thank you for watching. I hope you had a good time. I hope the music was relaxing. I know I find it relaxing. And I hope to see you again in the future. All right, have a good day. Bye.